Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL U3 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Firstly, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this yellow plus icon over here. Over here you can customize your event however you want to. For example, you can add a title, location, event description, set up a reminder minutes, hours or weeks before. You can add your email, choose starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Now, if you want to save your event, you can click on the top right corner over here. And as you can see, mine was successfully added. But you can always delete it by clicking on it, tapping on the bin icon at the top right corner and choosing OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!